Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Twins podcast, the place where English feels simple, friendly, and fun.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack, and this is my twin sister, Emma.
And before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us.
Today's topic is super useful. We're talking about how to describe your day in natural, simple English.
Yes, people always ask, how can I talk about my daily routine? Today, we'll show you easy sentences you can use every day.
And don't worry, we'll keep it fun, not like a boring grammar book.
Never boring, we promise.
Okay, Emma, let's start simple. How do you begin describing your day?
I usually start with the morning. Something like, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Right. And say it clearly, slowly. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Repeat after me, listeners. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. After that, you can say, I get out of bed, or I brush my teeth.
Many learners always forget get out of bed. They say, I wake up from bed.
Yeah, no, don't say that. Just say, I get out of bed. Repeat after me. I get out of bed.
Good. And then you can talk about breakfast. For example, I eat eggs or I drink tea.
Or I skip breakfast, like me.
Yes, and that is why you are always hungry at 11 a.m.
True. Very true. Now let's teach some variations. Instead of always saying I eat, you can say I have.
Right. For example, I have coffee in the morning.
Repeat after me. I have coffee in the morning. I have an idea. Let's do a mini challenge.
Ooh, I like challenges.
Listeners, think of one thing you do every morning. Just one. Now say it out loud in English.
We'll give you 3 seconds.
Good job.
Let's move to late morning. For example, I go to work or I go to school.
Or, I start my classes.
You can also say, I check my emails, which is something Jack does every 5 minutes.
Hey, not every 5 minutes. Maybe every 7.
Sure. Now, let's add some useful connecting phrases. Instead of always saying, then, you can say,
After that.
or later.
Or around noon.
Very natural. Try this. After that, I start work. Repeat after me. After that, I start work.
Great. Now, let's talk about the afternoon. I usually say, I have lunch around 1 p.m.
And I say, I take a short break.
Very short, like 30 seconds.
What can I say? I'm hardworking.
Or you just like snacks.
Okay, yes, that too. Listeners, here's a question. What time do you have lunch?
Say it out loud, even if you're shy.
Learning happens when you speak, not when you stay quiet.
Now, an important sentence. I finish work at.
Yes, very useful.
Repeat after me. I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Or you can say, I get home at.
For example, I get home at 6.
And if you finish early, you can say, I get home early today.
Try saying it. Go on.
Now, let's talk about evening routines.
My favorite time, because food.
Yes, food. You can say, I cook dinner, or I order food,
Or I eat with my family.
or I watch TV after dinner. Very common sentence.
And now let's teach a very natural expression.
I wind down.
It means you relax.
For example, I wind down by listening to music.
Or I wind down by reading a book.
Repeat after me. I wind down in the evening.
Great.
And then you can talk about nighttime, like I go to bed at 11.
Or I fall asleep quickly.
Not like you. You take 1 hour.
I'm thinking about life and snacks.
Of course.
Now let's do a mini quiz.
Yay, mini quiz time!
I will say a daily activity. You guess morning, afternoon, or evening.
Ready?
I eat breakfast.
Morning,
I watch TV.
evening,
I go to work.
morning,
I sleep.
night.
I check Instagram.
Every hour.
Listeners, you try now. I'll say a sentence and you say the time of day.
Okay, here we go.
I have lunch.
Afternoon,
I brush my teeth.
morning or night, both are correct.
I relax on the sofa.
Evening.
Great job, everyone.
Now let's teach how to describe your day in a full, natural flow.
Yes, like a small story.
Something like, I wake up at 7, I brush my teeth, then I have breakfast. After that, I go to work. I finish work at 5. In the evening, I cook dinner and relax. I go to bed at 11.
Simple, clean, natural.
And here's a tip. Don't make it too long. Short sentences are best.
Yes, English sounds more natural when you keep it short.
And don't stress about grammar. Just speak.
Exactly. Don't wait for perfect English. Just start talking. Even simple English is good English.
Jack, let me ask you. Can you describe your day in 3 sentences?
Sure. I wake up late. I work. I eat.
Wow. So interesting. Such detail.
Thank you. Thank you.
My turn. I wake up early. I teach. I relax with tea.
That's better. You win.
Now you try, listeners. Describe your day in 3 short sentences. Go on, say it out loud.
We're listening.
Nice. I'm sure it was good.
Let's teach some more useful phrases. How about usually?
Yes, like, usually I wake up early.
Or usually I have a busy day.
Repeat after me. Usually.
Another good one is sometimes.
For example, sometimes I take a nap.
Or sometimes I go for a walk.
And another great word is finally.
Like, finally, I go to sleep.
Very natural for storytelling.
Emma, I have a question for you. How do you describe a lazy day?
Easy. I stay in bed, I watch movies, I eat snacks.
That sounds amazing.
Yes, but you do that every Sunday.
Don't expose me like this.
Listeners, how about you? Describe your lazy day.
Keep it simple, 3 or 4 short sentences.
Another tip. You can mix past tense if you want to talk about yesterday.
Like, yesterday I woke up late.
Yesterday, I watched a movie.
But today we are focusing on present tense.
Yes, let's stay simple.
Before we end this part, one more fun exercise.
Ooh, yes.
I'll say a time and you say an activity.
Like a game.
Exactly. Ready?
Ready.
7 a.m.,
Wake up.
1 p.m.,
Have lunch.
8 p.m.
Relax or watch TV.
Listeners, your turn. 6 a.m. Good.
3 p.m.
Nice.
This is such a simple way to practice alone.
Totally. Just pick a time and say what you do.
And the more you speak, the more natural it becomes.
Practice every day, even for 5 minutes.
Exactly, and that's how your English grows. You build it little by little, like small blocks. Every word you say is a new brick.
And soon you have a whole house of English, a beautiful English house, with good snacks.
Yes, snacks are important for Jack's motivation.
Okay, let's continue. We were talking about describing your day.
Right, now let's teach some natural feeling sentences.
Yes, because your day is not only actions, it's also feelings.
Exactly, you can say things like, I feel tired in the morning.
Or I feel happy after lunch.
Or I feel relaxed at night.
Repeat after me. I feel tired in the morning. Good. Now repeat, I feel relaxed at night. Feelings make your English sound more real.
Yes, without feelings, it sounds like a robot talking.
I wake up. I eat. I sleep.
Very robotic.
Now, let's talk about describing busy days.
Ooh, busy days are fun to describe.
You can say, I have a busy morning,
Or, my afternoon is full.
or I have a lot to do today.
Repeat after me. I have a lot to do today.
Nice.
And if you want to sound more natural, you can add small details.
For example, I have a busy morning because I have a meeting.
Or, I have a lot to do today, so I feel stressed.
But remember, keep your sentences short. No need for long, long lines.
Yes, short is sweet.
Like me.
No, you're tall.
Short inside.
Let's continue with questions you can ask about someone's day.
Good idea. Very useful for conversations.
For example, you can ask, how was your day?
Or what did you do today?
Or, did you have a busy day?
Repeat after me. How was your day?
Now, let's practice answers.
Ready?
My day was good.
My day was okay.
My day was a little busy.
My day was relaxing.
Simple, natural answers.
Listeners, say one of these out loud.
Perfect.
Let's talk about one more phrase. In the middle of the day.
Yes, very natural. You can say, in the middle of the day, I take a break.
Or in the middle of the day, I go for a walk.
Repeat after me, in the middle of the day.
Great. Now let's do a role play.
Fun! I'll ask you about your day, and you answer.
All right, go for it.
How's your day so far?
My day's good. I woke up early, worked a little, and now I'm recording this podcast.
Nice. And how do you feel?
I feel hungry.
Obviously.
Now you ask me.
Okay. How was your morning?
My morning was simple. I drank tea and answered emails.
And did you relax at all?
A little. I watched a funny video.
Good. Laughter is healthy.
Listeners, now you try this role play with us.
I will ask the questions you answer out loud.
Don't be shy. No one is watching.
Ready? Here we go. How was your morning? What did you do after lunch? How do you feel right now?
Great job.
See, even simple practice helps a lot.
And you get better every time you speak.
Now, let's teach a very natural phrase, most of the time.
Oh, yes, very useful.
For example, most of the time I drink tea in the morning.
Or, most of the time, I sleep late.
Repeat, most of the time.
And another one, at the end of the day.
Very natural for summarizing.
You can say, at the end of the day, I just want to relax.
Or, at the end of the day, I feel proud.
Now I want to ask you something, Emma.
Go ahead.
How do you describe a perfect day?
A perfect day for me is simple. I wake up early, drink a good coffee, work a little, walk in the park, eat something delicious, and watch a movie at night.
That does sound perfect.
And you?
I wake up late, eat good food, take a nap, and relax all day.
So basically a lazy day.
Yes, perfect.
Listeners, describe your perfect day. 1 or 2 sentences.
Say it out loud.
Lovely.
Here's another thing learners always ask. How can I make my daily descriptions more interesting?
Yes, good question.
I always say add one small extra detail.
For example, instead of I had breakfast, you can say I had breakfast with my sister.
Or, I had breakfast while watching the news.
Small details make your speaking sound more natural.
Okay, let's teach 3 bonus expressions.
Ooh, bonus time.
First, I usually start my day by...
Example, I usually start my day by stretching.
Second, one thing I always do is...
Example, one thing I always do is check my phone.
Third, my favorite part of the day is.
Example, my favorite part of the day is the evening.
Repeat after us.
I usually start my day by.
I always do is.
My favorite part of the day is.
Perfect.
You can use any of these to describe your day more beautifully.
And more confidently. Before we finish today's episode, let's do one last practice round.
The full day challenge.
Yes, we give you the structure, you fill in the details.
Ready?
Repeat after us and put your own words in the blank.
I wake up at.
I have. For breakfast.
In the afternoon, I.
In the evening, I.
At night, I.
Well done!
You're doing amazing.
And that's the end of today's lesson.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments what you want us to talk about next.